Today I want to share with you the Chrome extensions that I think you should install on your browser if you do web, graphic, UX UI design, or even if you work with WordPress to make your work easier and faster. So let's jump right in. The first extension that I recommend you to download is called Wopalizer. And with this plugin, you can see exactly what's behind a website. For example, you can see which CMS the site is using and all the different third-party plugins. And it's very useful if you want to see the behind the scenes and what's behind a website. The second extension I recommend, especially if you work with WordPress, is called WordPress Theme Detector. And this is a very useful extension to find out which theme a WordPress site is using. And plus, you'll find out which plugins are up and running on the site, but you'll not be able to see all of them. But nevertheless, it will give you a rough idea of what plugins the website is using. The next one is Detailed SEO Extension, and this is a great tool especially for a on-page SEO analysis, and it will show you if everything looks fine on the page, whether you have a title, a description, and if this description is too long or too short, so it will give you a good recommendation. You can also see the headings of the page, whether you have one H1 per page, which H2s, H3s. It will give you the links, internal, external, the images, and that's it. The next one is called SEO Quake. This is a very powerful SEO tool that gives you instant insights about any web page. So you just click on the diagnosis and you'll see a lot of data about your site, and it will also give you recommendations on what you can improve and show you what you're doing well. Now let's talk about the next one, which is fundamental if you are doing any kind of design related work. And this one is called Pop-Up, and it lets you pick a color from any page, and then you can save it and see what color code it has. So you basically click on this button, and let's say you want to pick this color, it's going to be saved. And what you can do is you can also create your own palette over here. So it's highly recommended. Another extension that I use is called Fonts Ninja, and it's this one right here. And with this one, you'll be able to find out which typefaces the website is using, and you'll be able to see the details. You'll be able to see how the typeface looks on uppercase or lowercase. So it's a pretty good one. Next one is called Image Downloader, and this one is very simple. It's an extension that lets you download images from any site with one click. Just make sure that you have the right to do so and you have the right to use the image in your work. Then we have View Image Info. And with this one, you can actually see the dimensions of an image plus the alt description. What you do is right click on an image and you'll see all the info related to the image. So you basically click on this one and you'll be able to see dimensions, whether the image has an alt and title, the file type, and the size. Next, we have Go Full Page, and this one lets you take a screenshot of the whole page, and then with this page you can download it easily, either as an image format or as a PDF. And last but not least, we have Mobile Simulator, And this one is great because it lets you preview how a website looks on different mobile devices. So you can check responsiveness on mobile and mobile friendly design. So as you can see here on the right side, you can change the type of device. You can choose an Android smartphone. There are different brands and types, or you can choose an iPhone. You can choose a tablet. You can choose how it looks like on a laptop. So it's pretty good stuff. And that's it for this video. These are the Chrome extensions I recommend you to download to make your workflow faster. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my resources in the video's description.